Hey guys, what's happening? Another quick video for you today of just showing you a kind of weird technique that I've learned in the last couple of weeks, having got my hand bike. Handbike gets stored in the garage, and of course I want to try and get to it without having to rely on others. So I originally was opening this garage door up halfway, squeezing it underneath it, and you know, able to close it and stuff. But I figured, hey, there must be a way of fully opening this, surely. Obviously I can't reach the top. The door is kind of old, it doesn't really open very well, but anyway, I have managed to find a solution. So I thought I'd take you through it if this is of any interest to anyone. So first up, unlock the door, nice and easy. There we go. And I have to get this one moving and keep a bit of pressure on the top because it's a bit naff, as I said. Move back slightly, open it a bit more. Back again. It's compounded by having really deep gravel as well to work with. And what I do, get the door to there where it will kind of just about stay on its own, and just inside I've got a broom handle which I can grab. Nice lightweight broom. Come back out. And then locking the brakes, basically use the broom to push the door up, and it's a bit of a knack to this door. I've got to get it to there. Give it a good shove, and it's open. Easy as that. And then to close it, kind of another bit of a technique. So normally I'm inside the garage at this point, and I just pull on the bar here that holds the door up. Bring the door down, then get myself out the way, give it a good slam. And that's all there is to it, nice and easy. Thanks for watching.